Do you guys still remember this vehicle right here? This was the Runx that we resprayed on the channel. It's a little bit dirty. It just need a wash, but what we're doing today is we're gonna put a set of coilovers, as you can see here again. Don't know how much gap is that. It's about, it's like 10 fingers or something. So we're gonna put a set of coilovers. Yeah, and you got.
Hey, where's his back? It's been a while, but I'm here.
Guys already know for Weasley. So yeah, let's do this. Here's the coilovers right here. We're gonna unbox it. I did already open it, but there's like no name or anything on here. I don't know what type of coilovers these are. So maybe you guys will know in the comments down below. This is probably the front, so I'm not really entirely sure as you will probably know. It's kinda hard to do this with one end. But yeah. Maybe you guys don't know what it is, because we have no idea what brand this is. Maybe we should find out about the owner, I don't know. But yeah, this coilovers actually looks good. So it is actually ARC's. Yeah, ARC Sport Blue Line. Explain here for him, man.
You explain.
Like what to do now? You must just took like how did you remove it? 2 bolts on top.
3 bolts on top. 2 from the top you lose in. 1 at the bottom that goes in. This one goes in here. In there. So it's actually 3 bolts in total from the top. And then just 1 nut. It's on the suspension. Just to loosen it. And then you need to obviously put this, remove this from the old one, and then put it on here because you don't get this width. So that's it. Straightforward. Fit in though.
That's now only for the rear mode. The front is probably different.
Yeah. Will be different. So now what you're gonna have to do is you have to check the suspension again up to get it in. On top. Was that in? There's a record for you inside. With it? Yeah, man. I'm gonna fast on. This will be the two from the top that you will tighten. It's one this side and then one on this side.
So it's just basically two from the top.
Two on top and then one at the bottom.
Same with the other side, must obviously.
Same with the other side, yeah. And then you're good to go. Allen key and 18 spanner. Tighten that, and then you're good to go. Below.
Easy.
Yeah. You know how much I had to check the suspension up to get that bolt in the main bolt.
I want to see how this thing shit me, bro. Yo, but it look lekker hier in there.
But the you can adjust it was high again.
Yeah.
Is er gelok het al? Is er gelok? Nog een gelok?
Nog een gelok. Ik moet nog stel mos, man.
Maar hoe stel dat je kan ze weer namen? Je kunt
Ah,
ze
de
toe,
great tools.
hoe is de great tool?
Maar die tool zit om samen en schroeven hebben.
Yeah.
Down there.
I just fitted the air seals to the front. There's the old shock. Obviously you have to also compress that spring because you need a top fitting with the string because they don't give that width. So you have to obviously remove it from there, fit it onto the coilover that's in here already.
Is that now the top part you're talking of?
That's the top here. Basically straightforward. There's two here. Drop link. The one that's keeping the caliper pipe and the sensor. Loosen that. Pops your ankles out. New one in.
So yeah, so now we're just gonna have to do the other side and then we can lower it and then we can see from there. So this is the current height right now, but it's like one finger cap all around. But I think it's a bit too much because this is a daily driver. It's a bit too low. Because yeah, so I think we're gonna raise it up a bit, maybe 2 fingers. But it looks good like this though. So yeah, we're gonna have to raise it up for yes, fresh.
Alles in hier, genau terug. Yo, ano wat hebben we voor jou?
So we managed to adjust it, but we adjusted 3 finger gap due to this. She needs to have I think it's actually pull out, so they can see. She said she can have because I don't think she's gonna be able to ride with a 1 finger gap because she's not used to lowering cars. So the 3 finger gap is alright, I think. You guys can see it actually looks good. So it's a good daily height. So yeah, in this spot. Yeah. Okay. Safe, bro. I'm gonna end the video off here, guys. It's super late already. We struggled with the rears. We struggled because of apparently the washers or the spaces wasn't correct, so we had to like take it out, reinstall it the whole time. So but we managed to get it right. Another owner, actually was his neighbor, also owner Runx, so he explained to us how to do it. But yeah, it was trial and error, but that's gonna be it for this one, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.